Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer loan proceeds to your bank via Lendio. Transferring loan proceeds from Lendio to your business bank ensures that funds are available for operations, expenses, or investments quickly and securely. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into Lendio and then go to Loan Dashboard or Fundings. There you're going to select the approved loan that you want to transfer. Next, click Transfer to Bank or Deposit Funds. Now just choose your linked business bank accounts and then enter the amount to transfer. It could be full or partial. Now review transfer details just to make sure that everything is correct, including fees and expected delivery dates. Now confirm and submit the transfer. Lastly, monitor your bank accounts to ensure that the funds arrive accordingly. Now, after completing the transfer, your loan proceeds are accessible in your bank, which of course allows you to manage your business expenses and cash flows efficiently. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.